So there came time for the separation once again. And Tāne said, I'm ready. Tupai said, I'm ready. Tāne pushed. Tupai put the first pole in place, te Pautokohuru Mawake, at the face of Ranginui. And then te Pautokonuku, te Pautokorangi, at the outstretched arms of Ranginui. And then te Pautokomanoa o Rangi, in the place of the heart of Ranginui. Te Pautoarongo o Rangi, at the pito of Rangi. And the final pole is at Ranginui's feet in the north. Te Pautokohuru Atea. Pautokohuru Mawake, Pautokohuru Rangi, Pautokohuru Nuku, Pautokomanoa o Rangi, Pautuarongo o Rangi, te Pautokohuru Atea. The blueprint of the structure of not just the architectural meeting house, but the structure of the recreation of the entire cosmos. When you think of it, why would you conduct yourself in any other place other than your very own cosmos? Of course, the story doesn't end there. Ranginui was not happy about being separated, and he couldn't grab on to Papatuanuku, and Papatuanuku was reaching. And so to stop the argument and the wailing of Ranginui and Papatuanuku, the brothers decided to turn Papa so that she wouldn't face the sky, and so she became Papa Tahuriihu. And to stop Ranginui reaching, the two adzes, Te Awhiorangi and Te Whironui, were used to cut the arms of Rangi so he could no longer reach. And when that happened, blood flowed. And blood flowed into the earth of Papatuanuku to the place we know as Kurawaka, the source of kokowai, the red ochre, the sacred ochre. Ranginui also cried, and the tears pooled on Papatuanuku and created the pools from which two plants grew, the pingo near the coastal areas and the kiakea in the bush areas. It's the very two plants that are used in the tokotoko, the connecting tissue of the structure of the Whare Whakairo.